Hello students, next we are going to start a second question of exercise 12.4. So first of all, what we have to do now, see the statement, draw angle using protractor and also construct their bisector using compass. First of all, same as it is which way we have done in our first question, we have to draw angle by using protractor. Same that easy for you, you can do. First of all, you have to draw a line. Here we have to draw 190 angle. We know that this is our total 180, but we have to draw 90 degrees. So what we will do, we will keep like this way to downside our protractor, 180 that and 10 this now here. So this is our angle 190 degree. Clear? This is x, y, z, x, y, z. So this is 190 degree. Clear to all? Now they said what we have to do, construct bisector. We have to construct bisector also. So what we have to do, how much difference is there, this one, we will open our compass more than half. When they will say na construct bisector, we will open more than half. Up to this, suppose half is there, so more than half, suppose up to this we will open our compass. Clear? What we will do after opening more than half, keep here on this point, this how much you have opened first time, you will let it open that, you will not move it here and there. We will construct here one arc, then we will keep on this side and we will construct one more arc. Now where it is joined, see this is the intersecting point, we will join this point with our this point. Bisector means what, it will, this which bisector we have constructed, it means it will divide this angle into equal parts. Now we can say that, see from here, I told you bisector means which we have derived, this bisector means it divide this angle into two equal parts. So total angle is 95, 190 means if we will divide with 2, it means 95 should be on both sides. So we can check from here, see here we have derived, this is 90, this is 95 and this is 100, so it came exact 95. It means which angle we have constructed, bisector, that is correct. So like this way you can draw other bisectors also by using your compass and by using this protractor. Clear to all? Hello students, next question is there, construct angles with the help of ruler and compass. First, which two questions we have done, in those questions we have constructed angles with the help of a protractor. But now which question is there, now we have to construct angles by using this compass and by using scale. Now we will construct angle 60 degree by using this scale and by using compass. See how to construct. First of all we will draw a line, any centimeter you can draw. Clear? Now this is a point, we will keep here our compass, how much you want you can open. Clear? But don't open too much, only little bit you can open. How much you opened first time, then you will not move it here and there, you will draw like this way. Clear? Now how much you have opened, don't move it, keep here on this point, you will draw one arc here. Now keep on this arc where it is cutting, draw one more arc. Clear? Now here draw one arc, keep on this see here again, first of all, by using this ruler, you can say, or scale, we will draw a line. Then I told you little bit compass you can open, how much you want to open. First time you can open, but after that one time how much you have opened, you will not move it here and there. Here we will keep it and we will draw a arc. How much we have drawn first time, we will draw that. Then you will keep here and you will cut it. Okay, which is your this first arc na, that will be your angle 60 degree. We will join it with the scale. We will join it with the scale. Okay, now we will check it by using protractor, that which angle we want to draw. We have drawn correct. See here, this is of 60 degree exact. So with the help of compass we have drawn this angle 60 degree. Clear to all? Next they said we have to draw angle 90 degree. How we will draw angle 90 degree? Same by using this scale we can draw a line. How much you want you can draw. Now how much you want to open your compass, you can open little bit. You can keep here at the tip and you can again make a arc. Now what we will do, we will make a arc. After making this arc, we will not move this compass here and there. We will keep here one arc. Here we will draw, then on this arc we will keep and we will draw one more arc. Now we have to draw angle 90 degree on this arc. Same keep and here one arc draw. Here also keep and cut to this arc. Now we will join this arc with this point. Now we will check it by using this protractor. See this is exact 90 degree angle. So we have constructed it by using our compass angle 90 degree. Clear to all? Last C part left. They said construct angle 120 degree. Now same we have to construct angle 120 degree. How we can construct? We have to draw line. We can use this also to draw a line like this way. After that we have to use our compass. Next again same, keep here and draw arc. How much you want to draw arc, but you will not allow your compass to move here and there. You can move your notebook, but your compass should not be moved. Okay, now keep here and draw first arc, and keep here and draw your second arc. Clear to all? Now we will, which first arc which we have made, that was our angle 60 degree, but which second arc we have made. Now we will join this second arc with this point. Now we will measure it by using a protractor. Now you can see this is exact 120 degree angle. So by like this way you have to construct angles by using a compass. So with this exercise our chapter 12th finished. Clear to all?